All right, YouTube, we're making yet another video. This video is on these mirrors. I personally don't like them. I think they're too bulky. Don't help with rim resistance. I just don't like them. So I want to get rid of these mirrors today. I did find some replacement mirrors. Now the mirrors I'm going to install on here now, yes, I know it's broken. I know it's going to be replaced. The mirrors I'm going to replace with these are not motorcycle mirrors. They are bicycle mirrors. So I'm going to test them out on the bike to see if it can withstand wind of 70 to 80 miles an hour. So that's the part number. And then these are what the mirrors look like. The main reason why I got these mirrors is because it's convex, which will allow me to see more behind me, which is what I really need. And then this Allen head can get tightened down so that this doesn't move and how fast of the wind I'm going. So this is one of the main reasons why I got it. And then plus this here won't move because it's rubber and it'll grip the bar. So let me show you why I'm going to install this guy. Now, if you have this bike, I know you know how to take these mirrors off. Basically, you pull this up, and then you get, I got an adjustable, but I think if I'm not mistaken, it's a 14. The top one goes in the direction of the mirror, and the bottom one goes in the opposite direction of the mirror. Okay, now that I've broken this one, top one loose, you just twist the mirror off of the bike altogether. Like that. What you do to one side, you do to the other. So let me take this off. So the way the mirrors are gonna go, they're gonna go, I think I wanna put these as close as I can to the center here, but I know my phone is gonna be in the way. So this is the closest I can get it with my phone being there. And then they're just gonna basically face out underneath my arms where I can see all the way from the lever behind me. All right, so now that I got this mirror loose, let me just unravel this guy off. And then this is the new mirror. So the way this works, you see this part right here? It pops off like that. And then you just put it around the handlebar. But it stretches open. See it stretching? And then when it stretches open like that, you tighten down this rubber band part, and then you adjust the mirror itself how you want it to face. After all that, like moving it around, trying to figure out how I need to see behind me, this is the configuration I came up with. So I have it close to the bar end where it doesn't interfere with my phone. And this one is actually sitting up against this, so it's not gonna vibrate as much. I'm hoping, at least. So this is my current setup. To me, this works great. It works perfect. I can see underneath my arms when I'm holding on to the bars. I can see under my arms if a car is behind me. Same thing with the other side. So this is how I'm going to keep the bike. Yeah, these are designed for bicycles, but they work great. Now I'm going to take it for a spin really quick to see if they can handle the speeds of 70, 80 miles an hour without giving me that blurry look. I believe the closer it is to the center, the less vibraty it'll look on the. So the further out you go, the more vibration you get, like the more unsteadiness you get. The closer you are to the clip-ons, the more steady, I think.